Hi guys, good morning. So in today's video, I'm gonna explain to you guys the continuation about FCA, okay? Because FCA, yung Foreign Credential Evaluation is a major requirements kapag mag-apply ka dito sa United States as a teacher. Okay, so many teacher nag-waste sila ng time kasi they don't know this requirements. But here you go guys, I gotta tell you about what is FCA and ano yung best evaluator company na mas makakatipid ka na isang trabaho lang ba, isang kuan ka lang, isang pa-evaluate ka lang. So there is two evaluating company that I know. The first one is Spantran, which ito yung pinili ko before, and the other one is West. So let's first talk about Spantran. Spantran guys, meron siyang 5 years na validity, ma-expire siya after 5 years. I-renew mo siya. And on the other hand, kanang West, wala siyang expiration. Pwede mo siyang magamit sa Canada. Kasi ang West is for America and Canada. If you plan to go to Canada, go with West. Ito yung the best. Kung alam ko dati yung West yung pinili ko. But hindi ko kasi alam, late ko na nalaman. So I go with Spantran. That's why. Ang payment that time ng Spantran pa-evaluate is 22,000 to 25. Yun ang naalala ko. Sa West, hindi ko alam kasi hindi ko ako nakapag-evaluate sa West. Sa Spantran yung alam ko. So, yun nga. As I mentioned yesterday, ang timeline ng best timeline application dito is October, November, December. Kasi yan ang hiring guys. Late na ang January, late na ang March ng hiring. Pero ang itong October, November, December, ito yung timeline ng best application for teaching here in United States. But you have to have the FCA. Kaya ang FCA, sabi ko nga, major requirements. Pag mag-interview ka, kailangan tatanungin nila, do you already have FCA? So, kailangan muna, kung gusto mong mag-apply dito, una mong gagawin, una mong i-work out yung pa-evaluate ng FCA. Anong gagawin sa FCA? Pupunta ka sa bachelor's, punta ka sa website, i-search mo ang Foreign Credential Evaluation. For example, Spantran, Foreign Credential Evaluation. Search mo doon. So, aralin mo, basahin mo lahat. Pag meron ka ng knowledge, ang gagawin mo, punta ka. Of course, dapat may pera ka kasi gagastos ka talaga guys. Gagastos ka talaga pag mag-apply ka dito sa United States. Yan talaga una pala na meron ka, dapat meron kang pera. Pera talaga guys. Huwag ka mag-alala kasi lahat ng nagastos mo within a year, mababayaran mo yun kaagad. Kahit magkano pa yung interest niyan, mababayaran mo kasi malaki talaga kasi ang sweldo dito guys. Malaki ang sweldo. So, i-cut mo na yung cycle ng nasa, sorry guys, this is all, I'm just talking about myself, okay? I-cut mo na yung cycle sa DepEd na puro ka loan. Kasi yun ang nangyari sa akin. Yun ang naging reason kung bakit ako nag-decide na mag-apply talaga dito. Na ayaw ko ng cycle ng loan. And another thing is, I wanna grow professionally and personally. America taught me a lot. So, yun guys. Kaya kung magpa-FCA kayo, I would say na West. Kay walang expiration, pwede magamit sa Canada if gusto mo mag-Canada. Okay? So, for now, I think yun muna ang aking isi-share sa inyo, yung about sa FCA na yan kasi yun ang major na requirements na kailangan nyong i-ready pag mag-apply kayo. So, yun nga, ang best time ng application, October, November, December. Okay? So, that's it guys. Good luck and I'm praying for the best of you na makapunta kayo dito. Remember, kaya nyong mag-DIY, hindi nyo kailangan mag-agency. Mag-DIY kayo kasi nasa online lahat ng kailangan yung information guys. Madali lang mag-search, nasa online. Huwag na mag-agency, okay? Hindi ko pinapromote ang agency, mag-DIY, kaya nandyan sa online lahat ng kailangan mo. So that's it about Foreign Credential Evaluation. And it's Wednesday, so happy Wednesday. 3 more days. Bye-bye.